non-fit me decided to be an actor, and I decided to be a fit one. And that's when I actually first met Kunal. And well, there was no steel, there was none of these fancy things that he had. And then, but then yeah, what he did was he gave me a balanced idea of how I need to lead my lifestyle from there on. Obviously, we shoot hectic hours. It's not a standard 9 to 6 type of job that we have, and it's a visual medium. It's films. It's you need to look the part. You need to look right, and that's when it started. A year of serious training, a year of dieting, a year of understanding my body, a year of getting to normal humane senses. At that point I was about 120 kilos. My waist was about 41 or something like that. So totally unfit for many things. And yeah, and then that's where it started. Then my first film began. I was lean, I was fit, and then from there on, it started getting very professional. It started getting for the film. So now the last film I did a film called Bahubali, which was now part one. I was very big. It was huge. But then what was missing in that film was I didn't have the perfect symmetry. I had a great back, but I had weaker arms and not such a solid chest. So then we reset the entire training program to kind of hold the back the way it is and grow the other body parts. So he has a very scientific approach of getting things done, and also not extremely stringent ways where you fall back and you get back to your regular routine. So it's the right amount of cheat meals. It's the right clean diet that I have going through the process. In the beginning, it was there was no cafe, there was none of these things. So I used to get meals made out of Kunal's house, and those boxes used to come to my house, and I used to carry them to shoot. Now with this fancy cafe that he's got, the meals are packed. They come right in time, and yeah, so that way he gets to monitor my diet, and I don't have to stress about what I'm eating, what I'm not at the right time. So this the meal comes from Kunal, and that's lunchtime, and that's what I eat. So 6 meals a day, 8 meals a day, whatever it is, it's programmed completely by him. So I go fully by his word and trust. And now here he is. Now Kunal has this fancy gym, probably the finest ones I've ever been to. And yes, so my entire family trains here. My friends train here. So if you see this gym, there'll be most of the film actors. I've been training for about 8-9 years in my life. I've interacted with many fitness trainers, many bodybuilders, and time and again I kept coming back to Kunal because he was the best that was around. And yeah, here you go. I'm stuck to him for life. He's stuck to me.